The eStart Electronic Title Coalition is really making some progress with getting electronic titles more common at the government agency. Our involvement with eStart, we've worked on a lot of cases with several states, and right now there's a pilot program in 3 states. Arizona, Maryland, and West Virginia are going to start doing electronic titles basically immediately. You can see from the article here, the Region 2 conference for AAMVA just finished up last week, and those 3 states announced that they are going to start doing electronic titles. Once it starts with a few states, your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. It'll roll out like a domino effect to other states where they see that this works. So our efforts with eStart and this electronic titling process have produced some results. We're going to continue to sign off on and support endeavors with other states to have them switch over. But if we do 2 or 3 at a time, eventually, we'll get all 50 states on board with electronic titling and electronic signatures, so you don't have to sign on paper and mail in documents. So be patient. Electronic titles are on the way. It may take a year or 2 or a couple years, depending on the state, but it's good progress with these efforts to get the government agencies to be more technologically advanced. If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.